Good morning guys again. We are here in this is for embassy. This is what is that embassy? Pakistan embassy na to. We ride in a shuttle bus guys. Shuttle bus. We are now here inside. I don't know what I'm showing you because the embassy in the other side. Maybe later. Baka mamaya pagbalik na lang. Medyo mo lang kasi meron yung mga buses na yung mga buses na dyan diba? Tapos kapila, the other side is Morocco embassy. This one. And the other side is Morocco embassy. But I'm here in the other side of the bus guys. Look. That's why I cannot show you. Cannot see. Now we have, what is this embassy? Coming. This one.
Korea.
Embassy. This is the embassy of Korea. From Korea, guys. Shout out Korea. Yes. Their embassy is here. This one is
Safari Yamania.
ano daw yun?
Safari Sudania.
Oman.
Safari Sudania.
Ano to?
Safari Lubnania. Safari Lubnania.
Ano daw yan? Ito ang Japan. Yes, Japan. Look. From Japan. From Japan, I forgot. Meron. Japan, sabi niya dati sa akin. Look, this is your embassy guys in Doha. Look. Japanese embassy. Doha. O siguro mamamasyal yan sila saan.
Japan Embassy. Safari Yamania. Safari Sudania. Safari
In the other side is Oman embassy. But I cannot show you because I'm here at the other side of the bus. Yes, later I will show you if kaya sorry guys, sorry because I'm fixing my papers. And here I don't know it's what is this? Turkey.
Safari Turkey.
Yeah, this is the embassy of Turkey guys in Doha. Yes. Turkey embassy Hassan. Hassan Fatima. Here is your embassy in Doha. Showing you in front only guys. Because we cannot go inside of course. Look. Oh, Republic of Turkey. Yes. All the embassy here inside guys. Only America is not here. Because they have their own embassy outside and it's a big US is a big embassy. It's not here inside this compound. And this is, what is this? Ewan ko, may star sa gitna. Ano na ito nito? Mamaya. Bakit hindi niya sabihin? I don't know. Ano kaya ito? Ano? Sige. Bakit hindi niya sabihin ito? Oh, wala naman nakalagay. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is that, guys. And this is Pakistan.
Forward.
Pakistan ba to?
Forward.
Pakistan.
Forward.
Pakistan. Republic of Pakistan.
Forward. Exit.
This is Pakistan embassy here in Doha. Look, guys. Oh, it's very hot. No, tignan mo yung mga kababayan natin, pupunta sila sa Pakistan. Mga amo yata nila, mga Pakistan. Dito sa kabila kasi may dito sa kabila pumunta eh. Baka sa iba sila. Pakistan embassy and followed by, what is this? Wait, guys. Egypt na. Di pa? Egypt, liliko tayo, bababa tayo. Diba?
Hindi sa Egypt.
Ha?
Parang Musliya.
Egypt na nga.
Parang Musliya.
Now, Egypt embassy. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. God bless.